guys, what's up? It's Colm here, back from another video. And today we have some important announcements. One, I got a haircut! Okay, enough about that. So, I wanted to say that I haven't been getting a lot of views lately. And I want you to tell me what I should do, because I'm lost. Should I do gaming, skits? What do you like? So, I don't know. If you have an idea, just post it. Also, another quick announcement is you might see a video of, well, these guys and all these guys, but with like a chain chomp. If you don't know what a chain chomp is, search it up. I ordered an 8.5-inch one. Should come like Monday or tomorrow. So in the future, just look into that. And I also wanted to say I am so sorry for not posting any videos. And that was because nothing bad. I just didn't post videos. Alright. Anyways, I have no idea. Alright, so like I said, just tell me what I should do. I would be happy to do skit videos. I don't want to game that much. I'm sick of playing video games, honestly. But if you want some comedy videos or anything, just tell me. Alright guys, bye bye. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe.